Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to share YouTube video in Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on YouTube app. Okay, then scroll down and choose any videos.
নিরবিচ্ছিন্নভাবে দিন রাত তেলাওয়াত শোনার জন্য আমি তৈরি করেছি এই প্লাগইন কোরআন ইসলামকে
Venomous snake.
And tap on share icon and click on Facebook. Okay, then tap on post. Just wait few seconds, videos link posting. Okay, that's all. Okay, then tap on menu, click on profile, check your profile, then back and share YouTube video in Facebook ID. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.